Well, beautiful morning. Jesus love everybody. Have a beautiful day too. Keep safe.
Yeah, never forget where you're coming from. King Shango set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Hey, good morning everybody, welcome back to the channel, datmisehtv. It's your girl Ziza. I'll do Outlaws part, manners and prayers. So today it's, I don't even know what time it is, 8, just after 8 o'clock. We're going to Brownstown today to do a few things. So mainly to drop off a TV. Our TV's not working. It hasn't been working for the longest time, but we decided Christmas is coming up, we're going to fix it. This TV, guys, oh gosh, we've had the TV maybe just over, about 2.5 years, and this is the third time we've had to get it repaired. Guys, I don't know if it's the quality of the TVs out here. I don't know if they're coming from China. I don't know where they're coming from, but the qualities are not good. And this is the third time we've had to repair it. The backlight keeps going, so we can't keep repairing it because we're going to just end up paying more than what we paid for the TV in the first place. So at this point I'm thinking we're going to repair it, and then if it goes again I'm just going to get a new one, I think, but from abroad. I think I'm going to have one sent from abroad, because the quality of stuff, to be honest, is not that great over here all the time. So yep, going to repair TV, going to Brownstown, going to see if we're going to pick up a few things. So you know what, we thought, just turn on the camera, take you along with us, see what happens, right? There's Mr. Outlaw in the back there. Say good morning to the people.
Give thanks for life.
You just get some cushions to just stabilize the TV so it doesn't keep rocking. We don't keep rocking back and forth. So yeah, Brownstown people, Brownstown. Big up everybody from Brownstown. Yeah.
Yeah, upper yard.
Pick up yourself, yeah. That's upper yard for you.
Upper yard.
Yeah, that's it. So yes, people, Brownstown bounds soon come. So guys, I was saying that I think it was the quality of the TV not very good, but Outlaw wants to correct me. What did you say it was?
JPS.
JPS. Yeah.
JPS just chop off the light and come on back. Boop,
yeah,
back, boop,
yeah,
back,
they do
boop,
that.
Back.
Yeah.
Something gone.
So the current goes, as you know, you have current power outages. But sometimes we find it goes and comes back on straight away, goes and comes back on straight away again.
That is where the
so the constant goes. On and off, on and off, on and off. Outlaw says that's what's kind of messed up the TV.
Mash up the back, the backlights.
Backlights, yeah. So
I put it together, you know.
Ocho Rios. Or as Outlaw says, Ocho Rios.
In the morning.
You say Ocho Rios, don't you?
Yes, like always.
Yeah. It doesn't call it Ocho Rios, it calls it Ocho Rios.
Yeah, everything.
Ocho Rios. In the morning.
Yeah, hustlers out and yo! Pleasant! Yes, hustlers out. Yeah. Nothing go.
Coming up to Island Village. Yeah. So here is, so you see the sign, Ocho Rios, right?
Yes.
There's Island Village to the right. So, I don't understand. People, help me make it make sense. So, what they're saying now is, you know, the cruise ships are back in Jamaica and everything like that. Why not you in a different place?
So, one to know.
See a cruise ship right there? I don't know if you can see it. See a cruise ship there?
2.
Oh, there's 2. So there's one here. Just about to see this one. Yeah, one there.
Yeah, one about to the far right.
And then there's another one
coming up to the right.
So there's 2, right, so there's 2 cruise ships in port today. Okay, to prove my point exactly. 2 cruise ships in today. And you know the Island Village?
Right here. Always, everybody crazy about the riders and people.
See police
I'm waiting and people to come up on the ship. They don't even see about too tough.
So, what I was saying is Island Village only allow cruise ship passengers to go into the shops in Island Village. You know, Island Village is like a place full of gift shops, clothes shops. There's an ice cream place there, Starbucks is there, all different kind of things is there, restaurants there. If you are a local Jamaican, local person, you are not allowed to go into Island Village or go into any of the shops when the cruise ships are here. The only people that can go into Island Village and shop at any of the shops are passengers from the cruise ships. Can you believe that?
April, listen, right now, I cannot go over to Starbucks over there. We can't go to Starbucks and buy a coffee because the ships are here and only the passengers from the cruise ships are allowed in Island Village or any of the shops in Island Village. If you go there if we go there right now, the security will say, sorry, us as local Jamaicans, sorry, you cannot go there because cruise ship is for cruise ship passengers only. The days when there's no cruise ships, we are free to go there. But anytime there's cruise ship, it is locked off to the public. Can you believe that? Anyway, that's my little rant for this morning, people. Brownstown. Fires, man. I saw fire look early morning time. Then I drop off a TV and now up a bush motors and come in my market.
Yeah, I need a porridge.
Yeah, I need a porridge.
We usually do peanut porridge. Touch off the TV. Yeah, that's what they say now.
Hey, I put something together and I'm not picking up about Saturday and Sunday. Have you done before? Let me show me about Saturday and the line.
Okay. Alright. Snatchers.
You want to go to and see?
I want to get a little bit, right?
Beautiful morning. Hey. Jesus love everybody. Have a beautiful day too. Keep safe. Keep on that one, brother. Yeah. Put up piece of this. Like a more than cheap. They are poor, but not dear, man. Cheap. Change it. You know me there, funny daddy? Yes, man, there, funny. If I come to Brownstown and get good food. Right. You have to come to Brownstown and get a nice piece of yam feed. Right. I tell you that. Not on prayer. So, I'm going off. One pound? Yeah. No problem.
All time ginger, hot like a fire.
Hot ginger.
Hot ginger.
Hotter than grabber. Bad stuff. Thank you.
So yes guys, we're just in Brownstown. Couldn't get no porridge. It's 10 o'clock and porridge is finished. Now all the people are dealing with soup now.
Yeah.
So 10 o'clock in the morning and it's soup time. Porridge is an early thing, so yeah. I didn't get no porridge, so I don't know what I'm gonna do.
Yeah, move early, get porridge.
Yeah, but we did get, cheap, you know, yam, $70 a pound. $70 a pound. I mean, you could never in Ochi. $70 a pound? My gosh, that's cheap. And we got
Most of them get good and fresh food.
How much was this, ginger?
$150 a pound.
$150 a pound for
that. You know how much feed
ginger.
What's the 500 feet I watch?
I know. So yes, it was well worth it. The only thing that was expensive, but we didn't really shop around, was sweet pepper. The big, I don't know, maybe it's high price time now. $400 a pound for sweet pepper. I said no. I kind of look for somewhere else. But everything else was good price. I ain't got no porridge though. Where's the juicy beef? I pass it already. Let's do porridge in there sometime. I was like, yeah, I'll find something on the way then. I'll find something on the way. So, yeah. Quick stop, Brownstown. I'm making our way back out now.
Everything go?
Yeah.
Yeah, then forward, you know?
Yep. Okay, gonna make, oh, let me set this up. Back in Ocho now. Just gonna make a quick stop in Bashko. Check something. And then, yeah, let's see.
Yeah, what's what going on the Bashko? What is that there? Come on.
Yeah. Oh, please. What's these? These are, where's all the stores in? 19 for one. These are one store. This one store. Okay, that's nearly £100 for one. It's not even leather, it's leather. Blender though. I need a blender.
7,000, 6,000.
Yeah, some no name, Nova.
Back on the car.
Oh, what's the other one? Hamilton Beach.
Hamilton Beach.
Well, come to look for stools, but I can't find none, so. Look at it. We were just in Ochi Market. Outlaw's gone out there to quickly pick up a couple of things on sweet pepper and some callaloo for today. Look like I see him pick up one big bungle over there. See Mr. Outlaw there. How much was this?
£500 sweet pepper.
What? How much was this?
150 for that.
Alright, just figure it.
£500 sweet pepper.
Alright, come, let's go. I told him let's go, you know. Anyway, he got the callaloo. Bungle of callaloo for 150. Sweet pepper, guys, my gosh. In Brownstown it was like I was saying, the sweet pepper, I don't know, is there a shortage of sweet pepper or what? Every year this happens. Every year there's something that goes sky high. Sweet pepper in Brownstown was $400 a pound. In Ochi Market, Outlaw's just asking, it's $500 a pound. $500 a pound. That's like £2.50 a pound. Like, oh my gosh. Soon can't buy sweet pepper, guys. Oh gosh, might have to buy £1/2 pound or £1/4 pound and make it stretch, you know. $500 a pound. And then another time you can get it for like $70 a pound, $100 a pound, $200 a pound. But that's the way it goes, isn't it? But $500 a pound, oh my gosh, my gosh. So I look like I told him to leave it and let's just go, but he's gone hunting for it to see if he can get it, I guess. Another market stall for maybe cheaper. $500 a pound though. Hey everyone, so we are back from Brownstown and Ochi. Just ran a few little errands. So today's vlog is really just a basic vlog of, I guess, kind of like a day in our life, or just kind of what we did today. So yeah, nothing too major. But guys, I still can't get over the price of sweet pepper. $500 a pound. Like, that's my rant for today. That is my rant for today. So yeah, but before we go, guys, I just want to let you know that Outlaw and I have decided to take part in Vlogmas for next month, for December. So Vlogmas, if you don't know, is when YouTubers vlog every single day from the 1st of December to the 25th of December. So from the 1st of December to the 25th, we vlog every day and we put a video out for you guys every single day from the 1st to the 25th. So we thought about it, should we not do it? But you know, it's a bit of fun. People pray for me though, pray for me because it means we have to film every day, record every day, whether we're doing something exciting, special or not. We're just gonna film, whatever happens, we're just gonna film. But I have to edit every day and upload every day. So sometimes that could be a challenge. So yeah, pray for me. But yeah, so we're gonna partake in Vlogmas. We're looking forward to it. So for the month of December, between the 1st and the 25th, we will be posting a video or a vlog every single day. Sometimes, guys, there will be exciting things. We'll be doing great stuff. Sometimes we may just be at home doing nothing. But you know what? Regardless, we're going to vlog and show you what we're doing. So Vlogmas is coming up. So guys, I'm going to end this vlog here. Guys, I hope you've enjoyed this very simple vlog today. Kind of a day in our life, Ocho Brownstown. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Please like the videos. Please subscribe if you haven't. Stay safe, and until the next time, datmisehtv.
This one has got to be now, 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 now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.